Hey everybody, I hope you are well today. In this video, I'm going to share with you my story as a eBay reseller. I started mainly because I wanted to get rid of few things that were lying for a long time at my home. This was of course done without the intention of making a profit. The few things that I have sold on eBay, the prices of them were set up which were lower than the usual market prices, which makes sense because they were for second-hand product. Recently I left my office job, that's why I had more spare time. I was reading a lot of articles or stories on social media about how many people got success through reselling items, and I thought this could be a good side gig. So whenever I would go around shops or shopping mall, and I would always search for discounted items that I could sell on eBay. So this time I had the intention to make profit. So after selling about 2 or 3 products, I realized that it is actually hard to make a decent amount of money from eBay. And if you have not done your research on eBay fees very well, you could be very well more disappointed, which was pretty much my case. So now I'm gonna talk to you about the product which I'm packing right now. I purchased this for £21 and I sold it for £28.50. I thought I made a great amount of profit. Even if it was £4, I would be happy. However, later I found that the eBay fee added up to £3.95. On top of that, my shipping cost was £2.76 as a small parcel. When I summed up my overhead cost, I realized that I only made a profit of few pence, which was very, very, very disappointing. As a result, I started to dig in about eBay fees and also look for more videos and hear from other people about their experiences with eBay. If you do not read about their full details on the platform fees, then you may find that it is pretty deceptive, since they say that listing is free. However, when you read about the eBay fees, they are very clear over there why they charge and where they charge, how much they take away from you. However, things do get a little bit complicated in there. It is also something I'm trying to figure out through my journey as a reseller. Of course, my story should not shun you away from trying reselling on eBay. We all will have our own individual experiences, and the best way to learn is through trial and error.